The last video introduced the Exegetical guide, which provides access to textual information, grammatical structures, and information about each word in a passage. This video introduces the Bible Word Study Guide, which examines how a particular word is used in different contexts. We're going to look at the word translated believes in verse 38. In this video, we're going to be looking at Greek words. However, the guide provides similar information for Hebrew ones. To run the guide, right-click the word, ensure the lemma is selected, and click Bible Word Study. The guide provides easy access to lexicon articles on the word. The translation section displays a translation ring, which shows how the word is translated in different passages in the New Testament. Clicking one of the segments shows where the word is translated that way, while clicking the center shows all occurrences in the New Testament, and Apocrypha if included in the Bible you are using. Hovering over the segment for a word shows other Greek words translated in the same way. These are very powerful capabilities with useful information, but the guide also provides a lot more. Close this section and open the Septuagint one, which contains a translation ring showing where the Greek word pisteuo is used to translate different Hebrew words. The clause participants section provides useful information about who or what is involved with the word we are studying. It has two views located on the right of the pane, one looking at grammar and the other looking at semantics. Selecting grammatical roles accesses information about subjects, objects, and so forth. Expanding the subject entry associated with the person referred to by Jesus, we see that, not surprisingly, this person is the subject of this verb in verse 38. And it's interesting to note that most occurrences of this form are in John's Gospel. Interestingly, if we look at the Indirect Object section and open the entry relating to Jesus, you might have expected him to be shown as the indirect object of belief here. Jesus usually appears as an indirect object in context with pisteuo. Try pausing the video and using the Exegetical guide on this verse, introduced in the previous video, to find out why this is not the case here. Back in the guide, switching to Semantic Roles gives us information about what the people or objects involved were doing or having done to them. Tracking this verb in John 7:38, you see that the experiencer was, again, the person referred to by Jesus. To see what this means, simply hover over the word experiencer. Further down in this section, you can see that the stimulus was Jesus. The case frame section allows more advanced interaction with semantic roles. You've just seen that the phrase involves an experiencer and a stimulus. Open that section to look at them both together and see other places in the New Testament where this combination is present. The textual searches section allows you to easily find where this lemma is used in a range of Greek literature. You can see how many times the lemma appears in them, and clicking the search button opens a search window with results on this term. Before moving on, take time to link the Bible to the Word Study Guide, and then click the word glorified in verse 39. This will update the guide and provide an opportunity to review these sections again. The Bible Word Study Guide will help you examine a particular word in depth and to better understand how it is used and understood in different parts of the biblical text. It will be a valuable tool in your overall exegetical process. The next video in this series will shift focus a bit and look at how individual resources can be customized to display information in different ways.